Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials and initiating verification. Sign into your Apple ID on the device you control, then open Settings or System Preferences. Make sure your phone number is entered exactly with the correct country code. Inconsistent formatting causes failures. Next, enable cellular or Wi-Fi and allow incoming SMS and calls for a few minutes. Once done, request the verification code from Apple ID security settings and prepare to enter it immediately on the device that prompted verification. If the code doesn't arrive, try alternate code delivery and then dive into troubleshooting steps. Request a new code and choose the Call Me option so you can hear the numeric code. This bypasses SMS delays. If calls or messages still don't come, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to refresh network registration, and make sure Do Not Disturb or call blocking isn't preventing delivery. Also check with your carrier for outages or message filtering that could intercept verification texts. Enter the verification code promptly on the device that requested it because codes expire quickly. If you can't receive codes, try signing in on a trusted device already linked to your Apple ID to generate a code from settings. When all else fails, start Apple account recovery from iForget. Apple. Calm and follow the steps. This can take days, but restores access securely. Key tip: maintain at least one trusted phone number and a trusted device to avoid lengthy recovery processes if verification breaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.